Hello everybody! This is Batang Malabon for D. Yan, nakalimutan ko nang paano yung pag ginagawa ko pag nagbablog ako. Sa tagal kong hindi nag-vlog. Okay, nag-unboxing. But this time, meron uli akong i-unbox na something new na parang naisip ko na maganda siguro maging malilibang ako. Parang try ko kung nakakaalis ng stress. Itong bagong hobby na papasukin ko. Okay, but bago natin mag-start, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and syempre, ang namimiss nyong hit the notification bell. Batang Malabon 4D. Parang naninibago na akong mag-vlog. Ang tagal kong hindi nag-vlog eh. Anyway, pag hindi ko na patatagalin, but first, before I do the unboxing, I'd like to thank the sponsor, okay, ang Hobbyland Kuwait, na talaga namang i-sponsoran niya tayo na i-try ko raw kasi I just meet the owner of this shop, Hobbyland, and we became friends, and then he introduced me to the RC Hobby World. You know, RC yung remote control. So when I was young, talagang I dream about na magkaroon itong mga remote control car. But hindi ko matandaan kung nagkaroon ako. So I don't remember if I got a remote control car before when I was young, but talagang sobrang gusto kong magkaroon dati nito. So parang ngayon lang natupad. It happened, naging friend ko nga yung owner of Hobby World. So he introduced the hobby of playing the RC cars. So pinatry niya sa akin tong isa, and he want me to try this, and kung ano yung mako-comment ko dito. So eto na, hindi ko na patatagalin. Ang my first ever hobby car, remote control car or RC car, and he gave me a 4-wheel drive off-road. So he explained to me the difference of toy remote control cars or boat or whatever, and the hobby remote control car, boats, racing boats, or tank, or kahit ano pa. Okay, so difference niya, yung nabibili yung toy na mas cheaper is if something broken or nasira siya, you cannot fix it, you will just throw it. That's the difference of the toy remote control. Although this is a toy also, but it's more for adult, I think, because it's hobby. Parang magiging hobby mo na siya. So if some parts are broken, you can replace it, and you can upgrade it to become much faster and stronger. So ito na ang Hypergo. Okay, 4-wheel drive off-road, and it's a 1/16 scale, brushless. I don't know what's the meaning of brushless. 4-wheel high-speed off-road truck. It's a truck, and it's written here it's 14 years old up. So ayan, ito yung kanyang tinatawag na brushless super motor. Yung motor niya is, they call it brushless. I don't know what's the difference of brushless. As I told you, I don't know about the hobby playing this remote control car. So I think meron yung dati sigurong model is may brush. Now they put a brushless. I don't know what. I will ask dun sa ano sa nagbigay. I will ask the owner because he meron siyang shop nito. He knows more than me. I mean, mas marami siyang alam tungkol sa akin dito. As in zero, I don't have any knowledge about this. Ayan, Hypergo. And meron siyang different colors. Ayan yung mga different colors niya. So I don't know what color this is inside. But meron siyang black and red and white combination something. And yung kanyang I don't know what you call this, a receiver, transmitter, or controller. please comment what anong tawag dito, what's this, what do you call this? Okay, receiver, controller, or I don't know, I have no idea. Yeah, but it's written here, it's control. Okay, it's 2.4, it is gigahertz. Yeah, siguro gigahertz. So, and may indication dito na 25C, 7.4V, Li, Daspo. Siguro I think this yung power ng camera, nung battery. And this 1.16 scale. So, tinuruan niya ako what is 1.16 scale. He said, if you said 1.18 or 19 or 20 is the more the higher the number, the end number is the more smaller yung nangyayaring cars or car models or airplane. So I just understand what's the meaning of 1.16, 1.20, 1.70, maliit na yun. So pag sinabing 1.10, 1.5, so it become bigger. Okay? So, hiniwa ko na kanina. Ginamitan ko na siya ng cutter para ma-remove yung kanya mga tape. Para madali ko na siya i-open. So, ayan. Let's see what's inside the box. Kung ano itong 1.16. Smell test. Deep breath. Oh. Fresh na fresh. It's brand new. Okay? But before I open it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. This button malabon for the... Ito na. What's inside the box? Ooh. Siyempre, inside the box, this one. So, kailangan ko siyang i-pull. I don't know how to open this. I told you, first time ko magkaroon ito. I don't know how to... Oh, okay, wait. I see something coming out of the box. Inside the box, there's the user manual. So, daming ano-ano na hindi ko maintindihan. Sa YouTube ko na lang siya titignan. Ayan na. Baligtad yata ako nakuha. Nakuha ko yung end, yung rear. I just pull it in dun sa rear. So I think mali ako nakuha. So ayan. Ayan siya inside the box. Naka-plastic pa, brand new. Brand new, man, brand new. So again, before we open this, unahin natin itong isang box. What's inside this another box? Let's see. And still there's a Where's my cutter? Tape. And it. So I'll try to open it. Nangyari pa, may nadali ko, no? Pero ganun din nagtagal din. So, smell test. Deep inhale. Ooh la la. Ula. Sabi nga nila, ula. So, inside the box is... Pa-surprise naman. I don't know how to remove it. And... there are parts that falling. How can I remove this? Sirain ko na siya. So I broke the box. Okay. Alright. Inside the box is the remote control or receiver or something. In a talagang brand new siya kasi naka-plastic pa siya. Baka maibagsak ko siya. So, nagtagal ako, no, kaka-open. Kala ko sandali lang yung aking vlog. Nagtagal pala. Ayan ang kanyang remote control. Dito yung control siguro. Tapos, let's open this. Warning, please do not. Okay, let's remove. I will remove this. No, hindi dapat ni-remove yata to. Oo, hindi na siya dapat remove. Steady lang siya dyan to warning you what you will do, what you will not to do. So ito yung siguro yung kanyang forward something. Or yung kanyang right left, and ito siguro yung pag forward niya. I don't know what is this, itong button na to at saka itong switch na to. Pag-aaralan ko pa siya. So sa ano niya, ilalim, ini-screw pa siya para lagyan ng battery. Hindi ko alam kung ilang battery nakalagay dito, but meron naman siyang instruction dito. So another one I see inside the box is there's something inside. What's this? Some kind of wheels. I have no idea kung saan nilalagay ito, but I will check the manual. And this is the charger here. There's a charger and there's a screw and a wrench. Small wrench. I don't know how to use this. Now, the main event. Nasira na siya. Ito na yung kanyang RC car. Ayan.
Amazing!
So, it's blue color combination of the white, red, and blue. It's a truck. I don't know whether it's the battery. Kasi ganyan yung ilalim niya. And, oh, let's see the shock absorber. Yung ba tawag dito? Shock absorber. So, naglalaro siyang ganyan. Front and back. Front and rear shock absorber. Ayan, no? And yung gulong niya is a real rubber with air inside. So, it's heavy. Around the... I don't know. Anong weight nito. Parang... if pounds is mga... or kilo is around, wala pang 1 kilo to, not more than half kilo. I don't know. So I don't know where's the there's a switch here. There's a switch here. You just turn it on the right side and you open mong ganyan. Let's see what's inside. Okay, you can remove the body, the cover, you can remove it. Yan, ito yung cover niya, and ito yung kanyang, ito siguro yung brushless na motor. Andito yung brushless na motor. Meron siyang, what do you call this? Exhaust. to cool the motor, I think. Meron siyang ganyan, no? And I don't know, ito yung switch, on, off, I think. And this is the battery, for sure. I don't know how to remove the battery. So I need a lot of reading the manual. Where's the manual? I know it. I need you. Okay. Kailangan ito. So, if you buy this, don't forget na be sure you have a manual inside. You will need it. Okay, now I don't know how to remove these batteries. But for sure this is the battery. So, you see the suspension. Yeah, suspension. Ano na suspension and yung pag right left niya ito. Diba? Ito yung ano niya. So it's nice. And I will check how can open this. I can open this. And this one, yung sino yung parang honeycomb na yan. Yan, may honeycomb siya yun. So siguro ano to, na napapalitan ng extended battery, mas mahaba. Malit yung battery pero may space pa siya. Siguro for the extended batteries. So ayan, may ilaw. So ayan o. Yung ilaw ko kasi mababa, yung ring light ko nasa baba. So I will try to figure it out and I will do the part 2 for the test drive. Okay? So again, thank you Habiland Kuwait. Nakikita nyo just somewhere here yung sticker ng Habiland or yan, i-ano ko rin sa part 2 yung sticker at saka yung number ng Habiland. I think I have the number but it's in my phone. So again, this is Bata Malabon 4D. Thank you for watching my unboxing of this first unboxing ng RC car. So dito pa ibang details pala sa box. If you buy this, you will get the details here. Ito yung kanyang mga parts. Siguro ito yung kanyang ano. I don't know what's this, and what's that. I have no idea. Nasa inside. So parang napapalitan siya. You can replace all the parts. Okay. There is inside the 4 by 5A brushless ESC. I don't know what's this ESC. Okay, and the 25C. This is the battery. This is the brushless ESC, I think. And it said it's a whole metal duty differential. Ayan, it's a metal inside the metal. Yan. And whole metal transmission. This is the transmission. It's also metal materials and aluminum cap oil filter. And the shock absorber, the suspensions is aluminum oil filled shock. Ibig sabihin, may langis yung kanyang suspension. There's an oil in it. And this is the brushless motor. Super motor. Yun. Okay, yun ang inside the box. At saka yung kanyang, hindi nakalagay kung ano to. Kanyang controller or receiver or I don't know, whatever. They don't indicate. Okay, so ibalik na natin to. I don't know how to bring this back. Something like that. Okay. Nasira na. Okay, thank you Habiland and thank you everybody for watching my unboxing, my vlog. Long time. Anyway, this is Batang Malabon 4D. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See you.